family of a 34-year-old who died at Dangoba line in an alleged police brutality says it has been vindicated by an autopsy report which indicates the deceased suffered massive blood in his abdominal cavity. The family of Salahudeen Tafilu has rejected a police report on the incident and insisted that the deceased was manhandled by police officers, leading to his death. Citi News' Ashanti regional correspondent Hafiz Tijani reports.
A police report given to the family suggests the deceased was released to go to the hospital when police officers realized he was unwell after he was arrested during a swoop in the area. The death of the young man sparked outrage among some youth in the Asokore-Mampong municipality who attacked the Aswansi police station and caused damage to properties. The deceased elder brother, Ibrahim Mohammed, tells Citi News the family will rely on the autopsy report to seek justice for the deceased.
Police report on the fake. Fake because anti-sakura. Yeah, police report in fine yejuma. Doctor report in the yejuma because of doctor report no. Ano na the yejuma kola no onyare. Bibian ha no o yejuma ana mukun no. Nti say no doctor the doctor scan on na the ejuma because omo bu akola no ma moja beda na yem nti ono no na ye say ye nti ase because akola no ye ejuma o ye sala wi na opie mu ko pie no so omo bu no kun no nti say no ye pe justice ye pe say omo gi omo kan no enukura no na pe say ye mfan ye ejuma mo fan penifo mfan ye ejuma nti ye hwe penifo say nya abutre nti de penifo no ebe ye na ebe hwe nti say ne pe say ye nya abutre nhwe penifo ye nim but asem no de police for kan na nya nukure
Parliament has waded into the matter and summoned the Interior Minister to answer questions after the Member of Parliament for Aswansi, Mutaka Mubarak, raised the issue on the floor on Tuesday.